Today I'm going to show you how to take a screen recording on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is swipe down in the top and then click the button that is a dot with a circle around it. It will do a 3, 2, 1 countdown and start recording your screen. And then to stop it, all you have to do is hit the red oval in the top left hand corner and hit stop. And then it will be saved to your photos. When you swipe down, if you don't have that record symbol, all you have to do is go to your settings and then add it in your control center. And then you'll see screen recording as one of these. Just hit the plus sign to add it. And then as you can see, it's now added to the quick action area. And then you'll be able to take the recording. So yeah, that's it. Good luck.